Many Americans have felt for a long time like the system doesn't function the way it's supposed to. They work hard, pay taxes, they're intelligent, talented, ambitious, and yet very few ever reach the heights that the American dream promises. That's because capitalism assumes merit and fair competition. But when wealth and power distort the system, markets stop functioning as intended, and reaching the top becomes an illusion for most. Finance, academia, media and entertainment, technology, all shaped by governance. Over time, institutions that were meant to operate independently have become deeply interconnected by money. This graphic from The Economist shows how Jeffrey Epstein's network extended into finance, academia, media, and politics. And not just from the margins, from the heart of elite circles. Universities are not just places of learning, they are hubs of influence. And Jeffrey Epstein maintained documented ties to elite academic institutions, including Harvard, MIT, Columbia, Bard, UCLA, and Duke.
I'm privileged enough to have people around me who've given lots of philanthropic gifts to institutions of higher learning. And when I said the impact, how do you judge the impact of your giving?
Academic settings create access through donor events, conferences, and private introductions to people who would otherwise be unreachable. And money changes dynamics in academia, just as it does everywhere else. Notably, even after Epstein's 2008 conviction, some institutional relationships did not end, highlighting how elite access can persist when money is involved. These dynamics become a little bit more clear when power and access converge around one well-connected individual. The public record surrounding Leon Black helps illustrate how elite financial networks operate. As co-founder and longtime leader of Apollo Global Management, Black built his estimated $13.6 billion fortune through distressed, speculative investing, buying assets amid major market failures when others were forced to sell. Apollo pursued this strategy during the 2007-2008 financial crisis. While millions of Americans lost their jobs, they lost their homes, retirement savings, Apollo, at the time, was deploying capital. Leon Black acknowledged this approach himself, telling Bloomberg Businessweek, "We've actually made our most money during recessions. Everybody else is running for the doors, and we're backing up the trucks." Jeffrey Epstein marketed himself as a financial advisor to the ultra-wealthy. Public records show Epstein and Black had an established relationship well before their later financial dealings, including a signed 2-page handwritten message that Black contributed to Epstein's 2003 birthday book, released by the House Oversight Committee. One line reads, "Teaching math, trading options, or foreign currency, green eye shades, schemes and plans, a unique tax strategy." In a recorded interview, Steve Bannon challenged Jeffrey Epstein on the origins of his money and who he was advising.
I just asked a question. Is your money dirty money?
No, it's not. So, in fact...
Why is it not dirty money?
Because I earned it.
But you earned it.
I earned it legally.
We went back to this before. You earned
Yes.
it. You earned it advising the worst people in the world, right? That do enormous bad things, and just to make more money.
Public records also include DOJ-released memoranda and civil filings in which alleged victims report sexual abuse that they say occurred when they were children. Leon Black is named in those records. And yes, Apollo was led by Black when the acquisition that brought LifeTouch under Apollo's control was finalized. LifeTouch is the company that photographs millions of children in American public schools each year. These facts exist in the public record. alongside another disturbing line. Signed, in the Epstein birthday book, the message includes the line, it says, Maxwellian delight, a mother's treasure, great joy, most surely. Leon Black has denied wrongdoing. He has not been criminally charged. But when allegations involving children, control of institutions that serve children, and documented proximity to Jeffrey Epstein appear together in the public record, the overlap warrants scrutiny. If money can bend institutions, if influence can shield power, if access can silence the truth, then the question is, what is unshakable? And the answer is one that we've all known for a long time. It's God. Jesus didn't say to force the door open, he said to knock. I think a lot of people right now, he's tugging at your heart, your spirit. He's ready for that knock.